Hey everyone, Paul Akers. People always ask me, could lean really be as simple as you say, Paul? Absolutely it is. Because all lean is doing is identifying and answering one simple question. What bugs you? Every day, you and I perform hundreds of different tasks, whether it be collecting our car keys, making our lunch, answering emails. They're all processes. And all we're trying to do is identify what bugs us, what are the clunky parts about that process, and then make small little improvements, 2-second improvements. Just improve the process a little bit. Then you receive the benefit of it, and when you feel the benefit, then it motivates you to continue. Now, having said that, the reason most people don't do lean is because they're afraid of failing. And I'm gonna say, failure is the key. That's how you learn. That's how I learn. That's how all great lean thinkers learn. So don't be afraid to fail. We're all gonna fail. 50% of everything I do fails. But that's how I learn and get better at improving. So all we're doing is fixing what bugs us and being comfortable with failing. That's all lean is. Thanks a lot.